Alright guys, so welcome to today's YouTube video. I think this is my first time showing my face on my channel. So today I want to give out my special super bundle, a collection of 4 of my courses. I want to give you guys a special discount on only for my YouTube subscribers. So, and maybe probably if you're a new visitor on my channel, you're going to get access to this special discount offer. So it's actually a combination of 4 premium courses, 4 products courses based on what I do online. The things I do online, I'm into product launching, I'm into affiliate marketing and email marketing. I sell PLR products and I create info product like ebooks, and then those are just the 4 basic stuffs I do. And so under this 4, I have 4 full courses, 4 courses, in-depth courses on these 4 aspects, which 4 aspects of ways I make money online. So I want to give you guys access to pick up these courses for just a one-time price, just one payment. You're gonna get access to all these 4 courses, and these 4 courses they have access to, they have their own member access area, so you can always go back and access the content anytime you like here. And they are in-depth training from scratch. Like the first one is Water Plus Magical Profits. It's I'm going to walk you through inside the members area shortly. So the first one, Magical Profits, is how to sell on Water Plus, how to sell products on Water Plus and make money even with free traffic. A lot of people don't know about that platform. Water Plus is a platform you can go and start selling digital products and you get free traffic coming to your offers, and you start getting sales over and over and over again. And they are simple strategies I use to get me earning, to get me sales without looking for traffic up and down. So secondly, I'm going to give you access to my email marketing course. If you're going to do product launching, you need to complement it with email marketing, so you can also be selling to your customers. You can sell to them over and over and over again. So while you do email marketing, you can also add affiliate marketing to it, so you can also, as you are mailing, you have your customers in your list, you also promote other people's products. So you don't just keep selling your own products, your products product over and over again. You need to sell other people's products, so other people can also sell your products to their own list. That's how you do online business. So inside this course, the second course, Overnight Pro Marketer, you're going to learn how to build your email list, promote affiliate products, start your own email marketing business, your own affiliate marketing business. So my third product is going to be on PLR Massive bundle. I sell PLR over and I just say PLR products, private label rights products. I can just buy a product, and then I have the rights to resell this product or use it any way I want. So that's what you call PR products. So I had this PR Massive bundle is 60 products, evergreen products that you can sell as your own or do anything you want to do with it. So I'm going to give you access to that as part of the special super bundle. So the fourth one is my 100K per month strategy. That one is a very simple strategy applicable for you if you are a digital marketer. You create products like ebook courses, online training, all these stuffs. You're going to get access to that. A simple strategy that you can use once you have your product ready to go live. You don't need to start going looking for traffic, looking for buyers, customers. You can use my strategy to bank at least a minimum of 100K before you even launch your products to the public. So that's what is well. I think I should just head over to my PC and show you what this 4 bundle is all about. As just exactly what I do online to generate me money online, making about 500 and the average of 500 to 1K every single month. Combination of these 4 programs is what I do that gave me money online. So I think you want to check it out. There's a discount right now going on for 3 days, special discount. So I hope you're going to jump on it. I've given to my email subscribers, my Facebook group members, even my Facebook timeline, my friends on my Facebook timeline, they've gotten access. So I hope you're gonna take advantage of this special super bundle. There are 4 amazing courses that you're gonna love if you are an action taker. So don't just get a course and then you just leave it like that. No, people are you. In fact, your first product, your first sales can get you your money back. So it's just 5K on the discount page right now, but the price will increase after 3 days. So go ahead and then okay, let me just show you a review of what you are getting, so you see everything in reality. So I'm going to see you in the next on the screen when I get on my PC. All right.
All right, guys. So welcome to the sales page. So here is just a brief review of what my special bundle offer is all about. So you can get access to everything my special super bundle. You get access to my profit pooling premium courses with an exclusive huge discount. So I have just limited spot left. So let me just recap everything. Let me review everything briefly what you get. So number one, in my first product, you're going to get Magical Profits. Yes, Magical Profits. It's a course, a step-by-step practical training course series that walk you through launching your first product on Warrior Plus. Yes, how you can launch your product on Warrior Plus and why you should stick to Warrior Plus and not JVZoo as a starter. And then I'm going to reveal to you the kind of products you can start selling right away, which is PLR products, because PLR products are product you can buy one time and then you can sell them over and over again. You have the right to sell them as your own and keep all the profits yourself. So I'm going to walk you through all that inside this course, Magical Profits. So basically what it's about is you getting ideas or getting a product and then you list it on Warrior Plus and then you go live and then you sell and then you make huge profits, from just a small investment you make in getting that product or the idea you generate. So there's actually a link on this page as well that you can go out and check where I was actually selling this course entirely. So you see the sales page, the offer itself in its entirety. So the price is actually 15,000 naira, but because I'm doing a special super bundle offer for only my YouTube subscribers and perhaps maybe you just seeing this, so you can grab everything for a special low I think it's 1/3 of this price. So you can pick everything I'm giving you today. The same thing I'm using to make an average of about $500 to $1,000 every single month. So you can use this, pick up my the super bundle, and then you get access to the members area to all these courses. Okay, let me show you so you can see. You're going to get access to my 100K per month strategy. You get access to my Magical Profits, and then the Overnight Pro Marketer, and then another course which I'll review later on. So let me see if I can log into the members area so I show you exactly what you're going to get inside Magical Profits, inside my Warrior Plus full training course. So this is the members area. This is the members area right here. So I think I have about how many modules? About 12 or 13 modules. It's step-by-step training course that you're going to walk you through step by step, launching your own products on Warrior Plus, and then going on to make sales, generate profits, and making money on Warrior Plus. So I want to give you a walkthrough inside the members area and show you what exactly you're going to get access to. And one thing again is I'm giving you access to all the upsells. Yes, all the upsells inside this course. Basically, when people launch courses, they sell the front end product. Then once someone buys, they tell them to buy an upsell, buy again, buy another one, buy another one. But this, if you're picking up my course, you're going to get, if you're picking up this super bundle, you're going to get access to all my one-time offers, all the autos, all the upsells. You get access to everything. So let me show you what you are getting access to right now. So you can see I'm logged in inside Magical Profits members area right now. So this is the welcome address as usual. Then they walk through about everything inside. So inside module 2, that's where everything begins, where you discover the method I use to get ideas to generate products that I sell on Warrior Plus. So you get method 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 methods I use. And then the best method, I recap with the method, the best method you can actually get started with, and you can always use it over and over and over again. So inside module 3, you're going to get access to, you can see, step-by-step training lessons, step-by-step, what you need to do one by one, from getting ideas that you can start selling on Warrior Plus, how you can create your products, how you can create your offer, your sales pages, design your offers, and then list them out on Warrior Plus, and how you can get affiliates on board to promote your offer and then help you get faster results. I also include access to tools and resources. Tools you're going to need, for instance, you need a website, an hosting account, a domain name, and an hosting account. But if you don't have money, you won't buy that. I'm giving you resources that you can actually use them for free. You can use some platforms for free and then get things going without any delay. So also I included in module 4 case study examples. Case study, you can see case study examples. You're going to watch me 3 times I launched product on Warrior Plus and generated huge profits. I show you how I get my ideas, how I get free products that I sell on Warrior Plus. So you are getting everything inside Magical Profits when you pick up my super bundle offer. There's closing, there's currently up right now for only my YouTube subscribers. So there's a link under this video. Click on the link to grab this special super bundle. So you can see you're going to get access to my upsells. This one, normally people are going to pay more for this. So if someone picks up my course, they're going to get, maybe I'm charging about $27 for this or $47 for this, then they have to pay more to access this upsell because it's a deeper training. I show them how to get 1,000 times results with their product launches. So this is supposed to charge about $97, you can see, and then you still get another free access to another upsell, which is the life changer. This, if you do this, everything revealed inside this section, it's very hard for you not to get start making up to $1,000 on Warapro. So everything, so that means you are getting access to everything, all of these upsells. When you get access, when you pick up my super bundle, I don't know how long it's going to last. When you pick it up, you're going to get access to the members area. So also my second product, you're going to get access to my Overnight Pro Marketer. Yes, this is an email marketing course. It's a combination of email marketing and affiliate marketing. Yes, so in just about 10 days, you will become a pro affiliate marketer. Yes, it's true. It's true because I cover everything from scratch, how to start email marketing from scratch, how to set up your autoresponder, how to your email sequence, building a responsive list, profitable list, how to build a buyer list, even how to build them for free, how to mail your new subscribers, how to turn your customers to recurring customers, how to find what products to promote. A lot of things I covered from scratch, from the basic to the being a professional email marketer and affiliate marketer. So normally this course will go 15,000 naira. You can check on the sales page right there and see what you are getting in details, but you can pick up, get access to my second product, Overnight Pro Marketer, as part of my special bundle offer. So number 3, I'm going to give you access to my PRR Massive Bundle. It's a course offer I launched last month, I think last month or 2 months, and I generated a lot of sales on that. So you can see you get access to 60 PLR products that you can even get started with. I can start selling them one by one or as a bulk. You can sell everything as it is, and then you can make money with it. You can use it any way you like. You can put your name on it and start selling them right away. And even inside this PRR Massive Bundle, I showed 2 case studies. Yeah, you can also click here. You can see, you see the sales page. Case study how a 15-year-old girl turned my products, to hundreds of dollars. It actually shocked me, but it's just what it is. People take action. A lot of people take action and they get the result. But if you don't take action, you're not going to get any result. I also included another bonus where I showed you how a professional marketer makes over $1,000 just listing one book, ebook, on Warapro, and then she gives out the resale rights to them. And I'm going to show you that as well inside that PRR Massive Bundle. So you are getting another huge massive bonus inside when you pick up this super bundle. So number 4 again, I also included my 100k per month strategy. So this one is applicable for you if you are an information marketer, you sell digital products, online courses, training, ebooks, and then you find it hard to get people to buy them, to buy your digital products, to buy your e-courses, your training, your ebooks. This is what you need. I'm going to inside this course, I'm going to show you how the perfect strategy you can use that even when you launch your ebook, you want to launch your training courses, you don't need to start running ads or start blasting Facebook, blasting up and down by your course. There's a simple strategy that you can use that even before you launch your product to the public, you can make cool 100k, yes, 100k without shouting, without doing anything, and even without you doing the work yourself. So that's what I reviewed inside here. So it's normal price is 65k, and I've actually sold for like 15k, and a lot of people have gotten inside, but you can get access. Yes, you can get access for just 5k when you get all my special super bundle right on this page. So let me recap. You're going to get my magical profits that I'm going to show you how to launch and separate on Warapro, my email marketing course, affiliate marketing course, and then my PRR Massive Bundle, and then my 100k per month strategy. So you can see my first course. This is how I get the result magical profits, about $756. And here in one of my accounts, John Anavi, I have another account which is online monthly income, my business account. So you can see just one account. And then the second one, my affiliate marketing result. You can see I earn affiliate commissions on just one product. You can see that's exactly what I do. and then I reviewed everything inside the course. And then you can see the third one I'm giving you, my PRR massive bundle. I've sold this. You can see $9, $9.999. So imagine you just make just one sale. You sell to at $9 and then you make one sale. You would have made your money back already on, and you're getting access to all these courses. Yes, so you can see. And then the fourth product you're getting to is 100K per month strategy. So you can see, if you are a product creator, you launch courses, you have courses, and you're not selling, or you have ebooks, you're not selling, you're a coach, nobody is signing up for your offer. This is a strategy you need to deploy. You can see within 1st of February to 9th of February, you can see how much came in just using this strategy, just launching my course without running ads, without posting here and there, just using a simple strategy I reviewed inside this course. So you are getting a whole lot of stuff, but that's not even all. You're going to get my amazing super bundle again, extra bundle of all my past courses I've been launching, 2005 autoresponder series, how to make money selling nothing, my traffic sheets, Facebook instant profits, get cash on demand, t-shirt profit empire, some sales letters, powerful, everything. Lot of it, you're getting all this for free. But you can see there is time limit, so everything is expiring within the next 3 days. So after 3 days, this offer will revert back to the current price selling. It's currently at 9,000 naira, but there's a discount right now. I'm giving a discount for my YouTube subscribers, so you can go ahead and pick it up for just 5K. Yes, so you can pay, send to these bank accounts. Yes, and then you have to send me the details via email right here. The email instruction is right here. Or you can pay right now. You can pay to be online and get access to the members area instantly. So let me show you the price right now. I've effected the price. You can see it's 5,000 naira right now. So you can go ahead and grab it. But once the timer clocks down to 0, once it clocks down to 0, the price will revert back to 9K, and then I'm sorry, you won't be able to get at any price lesser than that anymore. So you can see there are testimonials on the page. Just click on the link under this video. You come to this page, and then you can actually go ahead and grab this special bundle before the price increase. So you can see another testimonial. This is someone actually have many testimonials. If you check on those products, each of those products, check on their sales page, you see enough testimonials right away. You can see this is the recent one. Someone says, my first Warrior Plus sales as a vendor, all thanks to you, Mr. John. And so you can see his first sale, his first sale was $31. So you can see that's over 10,000, almost 10,000 naira. And you can see investing 5K to get all my courses, and using just one of these courses on his first product, and then he makes 10K, I think. And guess what? He can make as more just doing that. So, and a lot of testimonials on the page. So go ahead, pick up this course, and if you need any help, you want to hear from me, I'm on YouTube. You can comment under the video or any of my videos. You can get in touch with me, or join my Facebook group or my Telegram community, or just hit me or send me a message on WhatsApp. There's a link right there. I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. So I think that's all about now. Click on the link under this video, pick up my special super bundle. You get almost all my courses, premium courses, that works. Yes, they work. They get results. People get results. Everyone is getting results as long as you take action. So go ahead. It's currently on a discount of 5K for my YouTube subscribers only, and probably maybe you're a editor. You can go ahead and grab it. But once the timer clocks 0, I'm sorry, the price will revert back to 9K, and then I don't know what's going to happen. So go ahead, click on the link under this video, pick up this training course. If you are paying online, if you pay online, you get access to the members area instantly. Yes, you get access instantly. But if you are paying via local bank transfer to my bank account, then you have to hold on, give me at least a few hours to see your message. Once I see your message, I'm going to deliver your offer. So there's a link under this video. Click on the link. It's going to bring you to this page. Whatever means you want to pay, you can pay online, and then you get access to it. And then you can be sure of having support. I provide support, regular support, instant support to all my subscribers. So I think that's all for now. I'll go ahead and pick up my special super bundle, all my courses, for a small, low one-time price of just 5K. So thank you very much. My name is John Anavi. I hope you do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.